Fernando Beltran, promoter ni Luis Nery. May schedule na kagad. Plano daw nilang labanan si Naoya Inoue sa May. Nakakainsulto to para kay Tapales. Parang pinapalabas ng team ni Nery na si Naoya Inoue talaga ang mananalo sa laban at dinidisregard nila si Marlon Tapales. December 26 pa ang laban ni Marlon Tapales at Naoya Inoue for undisputed champion crown. But this mandatory challenger, Luis Nery at promoter niya nagpo-promote na kagad. At ang sabi ng promoter ni Nery, sure magkikita daw si Naoya Inoue at Luis Nery sa ibabaw ng ring sa May. Wala pa ngang nananalo sa pagitan ni Naoya Inoue at Tapales. Nagpo-promote na kagad, diba? At confident daw siya sa paparating na laban. Siguradong malaking laban daw ang magaganap. Naniniwala siyang si Luis Nery ang isa sa pinakamagaling na boxing fighter sa 122 pounds. At ang sabi pa ni Fernando Beltran na magkakilala daw sila ng co-promoter ni Naoya Inoue sa Top Rank. At isa daw to sa factor to potential deal na sure siyang mangyayari ang laban. At sa Japan daw ang kanilang fighting venue. Former bantamweight and junior featherweight title list and the current 122 pound WBC mandatory challenger Luis Nery is patiently waiting for Naoya Inoue. Grabe talaga ang pagbabaliwala nila kay Marlon Tapales. At nag-comment pa sa Twitter si Luis Nery na big news daw with emoji ng Japanese flag. Everybody knows na si Naoya Inoue ang may advantage at favorite of all boxing fanatics. Prediction is all the same. Naoya Inoue is going to win for the undisputed world champion title. Kahit ako mismo ay admit na si Naoya Inoue ay may advantage sa laban na to and good resume kaysa kay Marlon Tapales in the world of boxing because of his skills, explosive punching power, quickness, timing. But Naoya Inoue is human too, not unbeatable monster. There's a possibility Marlon Tapales can win this fight. Hindi mo mapipredict ang laban sa boxing accurately kahit you have a decades of experience. Hindi ka pwedeng pumunta kagad sa conclusion. Maraming namamatay sa maling akala. Kaya yung behavior ni Luis Nery at promoter niyang si Fernando Beltran ay disrespectful sa fighters na isinasantabi lang kahit wala pang nananalo. Everyone has a shot to win or to knock out your opponents. Marlon Tapales is a great fighter too. Good defense, a technical fighter, merong knockout power, sharp timing, kaya di pwedeng baliwalain. Hindi yan aabot sa pagiging world champion in 2 weight classes title kung mahina. Floyd Mayweather ang nagpatunay na it's not just a explosive power pagdating sa laban ng boxing. Everyone have a chance to win, kaya positive